Do you want to learn how to use Hostinger Horizons? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem, and it's going to be a quick guide, so let's get to it. So I can enter a prompt here and create an app from it just by giving it a prompt, and I do not even need to write any single line of code. So to get to this page, you first need to get the plan. So here on Hostinger Horizons, you're going to find that these are the pricing plans, and this is the $19 one. And it goes all the way up to the Pro plan, which is $199. And with each of these plans, you get the hosting included, but this is just 1 month free. And after that, it gets added on top of your total price. So it's $19, and after 1 month of your plan, you need to pay for the hosting as well. So it's going to be $13.99 added on top of your plan. And you've got these messages. These are the AI messages per month. So when you message, like if I put a prompt here, it's going to take in one message out of my total balance that way. And if you keep going back and forth with the AI, it will take a lot of your balance that way. You also get a 30-day money back guarantee and all of these features inside it. And if you buy any of these paid plans on this website, I may get a small commission. Now let's get over to this part where we are going to put the prompt and get an app out of it. So what I'm going to do is use the image compressor, or you can also go for these, or you can just put a prompt here. So I'm going to go for the image compressor, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to start building our web app. And our web app is ready. On the right hand side, we got this, and I can select an image from here, and it's going to make a compressed image, and I can download it from here. It's also going to say original size and the compressed size. Now, I can also delete this from here and add another image. What if I want to make a better UI of this user interface? So I'm going to say make a better modern UI and add more functionalities. I'm going to press on this, and the AI tells you what it's going to do. It's going to create a sleeker and more professional interface, include compression statistics, add batch processing capabilities, include before and after image preview, and a lot more. So it's going to do all of this. Now it may give an error like this. You just need to ask it to fix it. And it happens sometimes. So you need to do that in order to fix the errors inside it. And just like I said before, you need to go back and forth with it. So you're going to exhaust your credits a lot faster compared to if you just do it once over here. But if you want to add more functionalities to the app, get ready to exhaust more credits. Now, one good thing that I like about this is that once you fix it, it's going to tell you what it did and why it happened and what it did to solve it that way. And we got our app ready again. And on the right hand side, you can upload it. So I've got this image uploader here. Before it was not there. So I just ask it, I can't add image here, and it added this. And I can upload it. And now it worked. And we have got this compression results. Total space saved 0.95, and I can download it from here. Clear all, so you can do a batch processing as well, like this. And I can download them from here and delete one by one. So those things work. Now we're going to look at this on the bottom left hand side, which is upload file. If I upload this file over here, you can add this file inside your web app. So like I can say add as a background and upload the file. We had one error, but after fixing it, it changed the design based on the image that I uploaded, this one. And now everything works. It's just you can change your quality, the max width, upload the image, and it should work like that. You can also ask it to add a login functionality and add Supabase to it to let users have their images stored inside the app. It's going to act as a database. On the bottom left, we also got this. It is speech recognition. So it's going to listen to me and it's going to type inside it. Okay, so it just types based on what I'm speaking. That's all. It's not going to enter when I say enter. All right. You just need to press on this button to build the app. And if you want to go back, just say stop listening, and that's it. It's not going to type with your voice again. All right. So that was it. And on the top right, you can publish this and deploy it. So now it's published and you can view the site from here. This is your URL. And if you want, you can also add a custom domain, which I'm going to make a separate video of it. And it's going to be available at the end of this video. It will be on the right hand side in a playlist. You can check it out from there. Now, if I click on view site, this is my site with the app on it. And this is the URL. I can copy it, give it to someone, and they're also going to go to your website and they can view the website and use it. One more thing that I would like to tell is that you cannot edit anything inside here. Like if I want to edit something manually, I cannot do that. You have to ask the AI to make these changes inside. So if you want to change the image compressor on the top, the text to something else, you just need to type in change image compressor, like say something like this, change image compressor text to YME. And if I press enter here, it's going to say, I'll change the header text. So this way, you need to ask AI for everything. And if you know about InVideo AI, it also has the similar feature inside it. So you need to ask the AI to edit your video that way. And just like you saw, it changed the image compressor to YME. And just like this, if you want to change things inside it, you need to ask the AI for it every time. You cannot just manually go here and change stuff like that. And that's it. This is how to use the Hostinger Horizons. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.